Hey everyone. Welcome back to Nihon Graphics. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a unique logo by combining the letter B with a wave design. This is perfect for anyone looking to create a modern, sleek logo that stands out. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure to like this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more logo and UI design tips. Step 1, we'll start by drawing the letter B using simple shapes.
I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 It feels like a curse, 'cause every time when I try to run it hurts. The way that it burns feels like I melt through the earth. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna.
Step 2, now, let's create the wave element. We'll combine this with the B to form a unique and flowing design.
No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 No, I don't wanna fall No, I don't wanna fall too deep. In paradise, I kinda like it. I'm paralyzed, why can't I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you say my name? Yeah, 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 yeah. In paradise, I kinda like it. I'm paralyzed, why can't I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you come my way? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think I might get bored. It's like we met before. I always get ignored. I don't exist. I'm sick. It's alright, I'm fine. I'm just passing the time. I need you in my life. When I'm with you, I can't move. It feels like I'm losing my mind. Paradise, yeah, I kinda like it.
In paradise, I kinda like it. I'm paralyzed, why can't I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you say my name? Yeah, 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 yeah. In paradise, I kinda like it. I'm paralyzed, why can't I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you come my way? Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't know how to feel when you wake me up at night. It's only you and I. Yeah, it's only you and I. I'm lost and I'm found, yeah. I feel like October. I just need some peace of mind. I don't need to be sober for us to be lovers. I don't wanna love anybody like that.
And there you have it. A clean and modern logo combining the letter B with a wave. Don't forget to tweak the colors and styles to suit your brand. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, and if you want to see more logo and UI design tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.